So today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I'm going to be using the Catalyst Wedge. I've got a number 1 and a number 6 here. I've never used them before. I have seen paintings that I thought just look really cool using the Catalyst Wedge. I've grabbed some colours out. I've got blue, turquoisey, green colour palette, maybe with a bit of ochre. But I'm going to start off with some brushes. This is a paddle brush and this one's just a bit more flexible. And I'm going to pop down some colour straight onto my canvas. Let's just give it a little spritz with water, because I believe that the wetter the paints are, the more easy it's going to be to use the Catalyst Wedge. What I did think that I saw when I was watching videos was that I noticed that it was best not to cover your whole canvas first. You kind of want to stain the canvas. Let's try a few different colours. Maybe add some green in. Somewhat turquoisey blue, a bit lighter. I don't know what I'm doing. Just popping down colours. Alright, I'm going to start with that. Then I'm going to grab, I don't even know which one to use. Let's use this one. This is the number 1, so I'm going to try and move some of this colour around. And I think big sort of flowy strokes maybe. Oh yeah. Cool. I like that. Okay. I wonder what would happen if I added a bit of paint to it. Maybe the green. I might grab some paper towel as well. And let's put a little bit of white on there. Alright, I'm going to fill out some of this area with a paintbrush and do a bit of blending. I want it kind of busy in the middle and then some softness around the outside. Like I said, I normally cover my whole canvas first, but I think with this technique it's actually better not to. I might need more white. Just going to grab a drier brush just for blending. And then we can come back in with the catalyst. Do that kind of thing. I'm going to tip it around the other way. Do some blending on this side, I think. I haven't used this colour yet. I'm not sure whether I'm going to. Beautiful. All right, let's have a look. I do want this sort of dark bit coming up there. Cool. So I'm just dabbing it in at the moment. green. Oh, I accidentally picked up that colour. Now the question is, do I like it in there? Or I don't think we're going to use that colour. Let's just take that out. I might scoop that up and put it away so I don't accidentally use it again. I've got this side as well. Not sure at the moment. It's not terrible. I like the blending. Want to add in some more white, but I don't know whether to let this dry a bit. Let's put a bit of white on and then I'll decide. Alright, it's not quite there yet. I think I'm going to let this dry and then we'll come back and have another play. Got a few gaps here that I need to fill out, but yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so I went and grabbed a coffee and I was thinking about this. I'm thinking maybe I do want to blend a little bit with the brush again, just to fix up this bit here. I'm not sure about it. Maybe use some of the blue. It's a rainy day here today. Ooh. I wonder if I should try this one out. Put a bit of green through there. I wonder if I should make up a lighter green. Or what other colour greens have I got? I've got this fluorescent green. That could be a bit crazy. I don't know. I've got a feeling this could be interesting. Let's just try it in a little spot. Just adds a little bit of brightness. Yeah. Nice. I think that this fluorescent green really added something. I am going to add a little bit more. Then I just twist it. Let's get a bit of darker colour. Oops. And now the white. Thinking. I'm trying to give it a bit of lift just here. Let's try this bit up here. Just gonna bit of lime green. What is that colour? It's a fluoro acrylic by Montmartre. I think that's done. I'm very happy with my first Catalyst Wedge. I did use this one a little bit, but I mostly used number 1. And the blend is nice as well. And I'm just looking at this. I just want a tiny bit of white here. So I'm just going to use the very end of this. Maybe the dark colour as well. Just a subtle little change. Let's let that dry and I'll show you on the wall. Okay, here is the final result. The fluorescent green, here it is in the tube, it isn't quite as bright once it's dried. This bit here is mixed with a little bit of white, so that came out a little whiter. And we got that fan of lines, which I quite like the effect of. The blend's pretty good. Could have spent a little bit more time. That's the thing with blending. You can just like spend heaps of time on it. But yeah, not too bad for my first go. I definitely think I need more practice though. I think learning to use the tool could be quite beneficial, and I'm looking forward to trying it out in more pieces of art. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.